Hello guys, this is how to change a xenon light bulb on Audi A3 Sportback 2016. So you have to take off the wheel and everything on all these screws. As you can see, there is a lot of screws. You just have to take them all out, and here it is. You get to the lamp. You see these clips, you see. So I will take them out now to take out the bulb. Now, as you can see, the light bulb is out. You just take it out like this. You see the clips. The clips have these grooves in which they sit, and you just take out, put in the new light bulb, and that is it. Reverse the process. Now you can see the clips, how they have to be. So you just have to push it all the way in with one hand, and with the other push the clips toward the hood, toward the front end of the car, and that's it. Close it and return all the plastics. That's it.